Hey guys, this is Rohit Surisetti, a recent graduate from IIT Kharagpur, and first of all, I would like to congratulate you all for taking this step ahead. And just you are just 10 days away from JEE Mains 2024, which is on January 24th. I don't know how excited are you all guys, but I'm really very excited for all of you. And मुझे पता है ये कैसा feel होता है, and I've also been from that same phase, right? So I know very much the nervousness and all that you might have, but trust me, this is all be worth it, whatever be the result. So don't always focus on the result, focus on the journey, and then process में focus and ध्यान दे दो so that you won't feel any pressure, panic and all. First thing, panic मत हो. Just 2024 JEE Mains is just 10 days away, and in this video we'll discuss what are the things that you need to do and what are the things you should avoid in this 10 days. ठीक है. And also we'll further discuss क्या क्या करना है, क्या क्या resources है, क्या किससे revision करना है. These are very important, so we'll all discuss in this video. So please watch this video till the end, and also do subscribe to my channel if you are new to this channel, and I'm very close to 25,000 subscribers. I'll first start with what to do in these 10 days, and then we'll focus on what not to do in these 10 days. So क्या करना है ये 10 days में? बहुत सारे revision करना है, because and also क्या first of all you have to identify what you know and what you don't know, which are the chapters you are strong and weak. If you ask me, मेरे हिसाब से this is like half of your preparation is done if you know these two things. ठीक है. क्या मुझे अच्छे से आता है कुछ I'm not very confident on. ठीक है. Focus on which you are very confident on, and also practice करो, practice मेहनत करो और practice करो daily. ठीक है. So that you will feel very confident about those chapters which you know very strong. ठीक है. So one thing is practice करो daily. I would say 6 hours self study में 6 hours, and also time management. Of course we'll talk about time management and all little later, but अभी के लिए क्या करना है, focus more on quality rather than on quantity. ठीक है. For example, me and my friend are preparing for JEE Mains 2024. He has claimed that अरे यार तुझे पता है क्या, मैं 200 क्वेश्चंस कर दिया प्रैक्टिस, अरे यार बहुत अच्छे से आंसर्स आ रहे हैं, and you feel like you have done only 50 questions and you feel अरे यार उसने तो 200 किया and मैंने तो 50 ही किया, how is it gonna be, my selection होगा कि नहीं. Trust me, that doesn't matter at all. All matters is what 200 questions किया, इसमें how many did he actually know, क्या करना है. और many of the times क्या करता है ना लोग, they read the question, अरे simple है, okay, equal to, they randomly try hitting those formulas and they get some answer luckily. ठीक है. Don't do that. You have to be very clear on what formula you have to use, and why did you get that correct answer, and why did you not get the correct answer. ठीक है. ये हो गया. What is this? Focus on quality rather than quantity. This is very 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 important. And the third and the most important thing is you have to just that 10 days अभी बाकी है, so ठीक है, start giving mock tests, make it like an habit and all, so that try giving mock tests. If you haven't started giving mock tests, online में भी बहुत सारे mock tests है, and I'll give you, there is Vedantu is also offering free mock test series, so you can also enroll for that. I'll give you the link in the description, so you can opt for the mock test. And then mock test से क्या पता चला गया कि which chapters you are very strong in, which are not. So you will get some enough time is there, 1 week या 10 days is there, so you can work upon them. And then free mock test series and previous year question papers, वो भी बहुत सारे practice करो, so that because similar concepts ही repeat होता है. Of course same questions might not repeat, but similar concepts ही repeat होता है. So previous year question papers and mock test papers are जरूरी है. Don't neglect that at all. ठीक है. This list will be a long list, but I'll condense it in a very short time. So the first things first, if you are someone who watches Instagram or YouTube a lot, try avoiding or minimizing the time. Reels मत देखो. At least during this 10 days or till JEE Advanced, don't get deviated with movies or Instagram, social media and all. Just stay away from mobile phone. Just practice के लिए use your mobile, और doubts के लिए laptop and all. But stay away from social media. Time management is very important. If you cut down your social media time, lot of time will be there. And also whatever time you plan, if you plan कि अरे ठीक है चलो आज मैं 4 hours पढ़ता हूँ, this 4 hours you have to split equally among 3 subjects. I've seen many people, they are like 6 hours time I'll spend, but मुझे अरे physics अरे यार छोड़ो यार 4 hours maths करता है, just 1 hour physics 1 hour chemistry करता है, ठीक है? ऐसा नहीं होता है. 2 hours 2 equally split करना है maths, physics, chemistry. Even if you like the math subject more, you have to restrict it to 2 hours. Even if you don't like maths or chemistry, you have to do it 2 hours. That is a must. So this is one most important thing time management के लिए. So 6 hours minimum basic है, and then 6 hours of sleep is also very important, guys, because many people neglect sleep and their health gets disturbed at the last moment. So I'm sure you don't want that to happen. So make sure you sleep daily at least for 6 hours. 6 hours self study, and also I would highly recommend that at least from now, if you are not doing from before, start exercising for 1 hour. Exercise मतलब अभी gym वो सब मत join करो. Exercise मतलब just walking, jogging daily 1 hour. What happens because of this is your mind gets fresh and you get diverted from all that stress. बहुत सारी चीज होता है ना. So try doing 1 hour daily exercises, 6 hours of sleep. Then also when you are studying, ठीक है, keep a glass of water or water bottle near you and keep sipping your water. अभी you can ask me, अरे यार ये तो टीचर्स ही बोलते हैं, स्टूडेंट हमारा पेरेंट्स भी बोलता है और तुम भी अभी चालू कर दिया. No, I am not saying just for the reason of saying, ठीक है? ये साइंटिफिक रीजन भी है. हम जेई में पढ़ते हैं ना हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड्स, हमारा ब्रेन में ही ये हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड्स होते हैं, ठीक है? Whenever you get very stressed, ये क्या होता है, यू नो, ब्रेन में ये हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड्स गेट्स ब्रोकन, ठीक है? ये वंस दिस हाइड्रोजन गेट्स बॉन्ड्स बिकम ब्रोकन, दे आर लाइक फ्री मूविंग मॉलिक्यूल्स, बट that is when you get more and more anxiety and these all things. This is very scientific. You can also search it on Google. But when you drink more and more water, water gets circulated to all the body parts, right? Then brain में भी जाएगा water, and then these hydrogen bonds again get intact, ठीक है? Because of this again you will feel okay, थोड़ा relaxed. That is, you might have experienced, or if you haven't, please go ahead and drink some water, and you can see the results yourself. And just 10 days hai, and I know many concepts you might be aware of, few concepts you are not aware of. Try not to learn the new concepts. It's not advisable to learn new concepts. Have that self-confidence ki that yes, I can crack it. IIT मुझे होगा. If not I, who will crack IIT? Is like this confidence you should have in yourself. इसके बोलते हैं self-confidence और self-trust. वो सब होना चाहिए. You'll see the results. Last and one foremost thing is avoid silly mistakes, guys. Avoid silly mistakes. बहुत सारे लोग बोलते हैं I did mistake after reading question paper. अरे यार after exam. अरे यार I didn't read this. ये किसका गलती है? हमारा गलती है ना. क्वेश्चन पेपर तो क्लियरली लिखा है हिंदी और इंग्लिश में भी, हमने नहीं पढ़ा है ना. दैट इज आवर मिस्टेक. सो डोंट डू दैट. मेनी पीपल व्हाट दे डू, फॉर एग्जांपल क्वेश्चन है a boy is traveling in car with initial velocity. The student what he does immediately after a student is u is equal to 10 meter per second ऐसे लिखता है. So because of this what happens, you know, you try to skip some information. ऐसा मत करो. Just read the question entirely first. A student is traveling, ठीक है, acceleration दिया, then try to process it for 5-10 seconds. If you know the formula exactly, you will get it. Answer भी आ जाएगा. And one more thing, गलती mistakes में क्या होगा is units. For example, s equal to ut plus half at square ही है. Acceleration given is 10 meter per second square, or time is given 1 minute, and now you are applying half at square, half into 10 into 1 square you have applied. 1 is in minutes. You will get the answer, ठीक है? वो आंसर B ऑप्शंस में होगा. So you will obviously mark it, and you won't even get a doubt that, ठीक है, did I do any mistake in the, you know, calculation? Because IIT, you know, IITians professors are also very smart. They know exactly what mistakes students are gonna do, and they'll keep that option also. Because for example, when you're practicing, you know, you get a wrong answer which is not in the option, then you obviously know that you have done some mistake. You will go back, then you will correct that mistake, you will get the correct answer. But here ऐसा नहीं होता है. How did I know this? Is when I did a podcast with Hitsi Verma sir, professor. We'll talk about him a little later. He personally told me, I asked him, sir, how are these JEE mains and JEE advanced question papers set? He personally told me क्या क्या process follow करते हैं and कैसे set करते हैं papers. So I have, if you want to check out that video also, I'll give that link in the description. Do check it out, guys. You'll find lot of new insights from the man, the legend, the myth. Do check out the video from the description. I'll just give you a podcast with, it's just 10-15 minutes only, guys. So it will be worth your time. So ये हो गया what to do in 10 days, what not to do in 10 days. Let's now get back to individual subjects. Maths, physics, chemistry में क्या क्या करना है ये 10 days में, क्या नहीं करना है। पहले आता है मैथ्स। मैथ्स इज अ सब्जेक्ट वेयर यू नो इफ यू देयर आर लॉट ऑफ फॉर्मूलाज, ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फॉर्मूला, सर्कल, वो सब वो क्या 3D ज्योमेट्री का फॉर्मूलाज होता है। यू हैव टू बी वेरी थरो विद ऑल द फॉर्मूलाज, ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फॉर्मूलाज, द सर्कल, पैराबोला, एलिप्स, बहुत सारे फॉर्मूलाज यू हैव टू यू नो दैट इज given that you have to read, you have to by heart or whatever you have to do it, you have to know most of the formulas. Once you know the formulas, you have to practice makes man perfect, of course woman also. ठीक है, so keep practicing more and more. The more you practice, the more better your confidence yourself will be. And maths में क्या है ना, you calculation mistakes मत करो यार, like try avoiding calculation errors and all. And then maths में practice करने के लिए you can do your previous year question papers, because sometimes क्या होता है ना, I have observed myself that they keep changing just the numbers but same ही questions ही देते हैं. So don't miss that opportunity ना, you will also save some time. So do that, keep this as a good practice that solving previous year question papers and also mock tests which I'll give in the description. And उसका बाद if you still have some time, Cengage या कुछ books से practice कर सकते हैं. The more practice, the more confident you become, right? So now let's come back to physics. ये physics is very interesting, because most of you will be like, अरे यार physics मत बोलो यार, मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता है, वो बहुत मुश्किल है. But you know what is the key in physics? Stick to the basics and know the basics very thoroughly. Physics में क्या होता है ना, there will be, for example, kinematics में 3 or 4 formulas only will be there. V equal to U plus AT, V square minus U square equal to 2AS, S equal to UT plus half AT square, only 3-4 formulas ही होता है ना. But how question देता है, paragraph देता है 3-4 lines, which formula to use when? This you have to know very very thoroughly. When you will know this? Only when practice and you are thorough with your concepts. So concepts are very important, practice भी important है. Previous year question papers are must to go. And physics के लिए H.C. Verma book is like Bible, Bhagavad Gita, Quran to JEE Physics. ठीक है? So finish each and every question. Don't leave even a single question in H.C. Verma, because इस book से directly questions देते हैं. JEE Mains at least same numbers के साथ. I have seen myself. So don't leave any question of JEE, the H.C. Verma book. सारे के सारे questions you have to know which concept you have to like which formula you have to apply, कैसे करना है, everything. So H.C. Verma book complete करना है. And if you are, especially if you have only 10 days, don't go for advanced books like Irados, वो हो गया क्या Cengage, वो सब, ठीक है? Don't go for all of those things. You know what? Not to learn new things. That is already that I have said. And just focus on whatever you learn. Be the best in what you know, guys. That is the only thing that I would say. Now comes the chemistry, the ocean chemistry, because you have physical chemistry, inorganic, then organic. Inorganic में क्या होता है? You have to learn, you have to remember many things. Every day you have to revise the things only. That is the only way, I guess. And S block elements क्या होता है? Periodic table, I would highly recommend that you stick it on the wall somewhere. And physical chemistry is just like physics. Stick to the basics properly. Formulas you have to know. Then like application of that will serve your purpose. And then organic chemistry, which is I feel थोड़ा सा easier, ठीक है, in chemistry, because I'll tell you the reason also. You will ask me ना क्या है, क्यों easier? Because in organic chemistry there are hardly 5 or 6 mechanisms. If you know these mechanisms, कोई भी question दे दो यार, you will be able to do it. ठीक है, SN1 reaction हो गया, SN2 mechanism क्या mechanism है, क्या reactants है, you will, I am very sure that you will crack it. ठीक है, so इसीलिए organic chemistry पे you stick on the mechanisms very properly. The resource for chemistry is NCERT and NCRT, because directly questions आते हैं from NCERT. ठीक है, you have to be in such a position that कोई भी question दे दो from NCERT, you have to be answer. For example, if I come to your home and I pick up your NCERT book and I go to some random page 69 or something and I ask you some question, अच्छा A plus B, ठीक है, reactants क्या, products क्या आता है, you have to be ready to tell, अरे okay A plus B क्या ये आता है. And for example, I ask you Galena का scientific name और chemical formula क्या होता है, you should be able to tell that. Of course, I will not tell you Galena का this thing, but I want all of you to comment down under in the comments that without referring, be honest guys, don't refer anywhere, Galena का scientific name क्या है और chemical formula है. ठीक है, I'll go through all of the answer, all the comments and see how many of you can get it right. and in the next video which I'll do in 3-4 days, I'll randomly I'll give a shout out to the person who gets it correct. ठीक है गेलिना, that's a little task and an assignment for all of you guys. So ये हो गया inorganic, physical and organic chemistry. इतना tough तो नहीं है chemistry compared to physics. So chemistry भी I'm very sure that you'll be able to crack it. So yeah guys, broadly speaking about all the things, all the subjects. So all the very best guys for JEE Mains 2024, which is just 10 days away. So all the very best and prepare well and also eat well, sleep well, drink water well, and also please take care of your health as well. And if you, in case of any doubts or any queries you have, feel free to ping me on my Instagram, which is Rohit_Surisetti. I'll give the link in the description as well. Don't worry. And you can also chat with me on my WhatsApp community. I'll post that as well. The link in the description, so you can also go through that. So you can stay connected. And also, कोई भी doubt है तो without any hesitation, just keep it in the comments below. I promise you that I'll read each and every comment and reply as soon as possible. And if I feel like this thing तो बहुत सारे लोग को होता है ये doubt, then I'll make a video which in the next 3-4 days I'll come up with another maybe a live session or a video like one day before JEE mains examination क्या करना चाहिए, on the exam day क्या करना है, क्या कैसे रिवाइज करना है, because see one day before, tomorrow is my JEE mains 2024, you have to revise, right? Obviously before day, huge syllabus, how can you revise in just one day? The time is not sufficient ना. But I'll tell you the tricks. Revision का भी थोड़ा tricks और plan होता है कैसे करना है, that I'll tell you in another 3-4 days. I'll come upload another video. But till then, if you have any questions, just ping me on LinkedIn, Instagram or WhatsApp, or even in the comments. I'll 100% answer all of your queries, be it related to any subject or in general JEE का, or anything related to IITs and NITs, anything. कितना rank आना चाहिए, anything you can ask, I'll definitely answer. So thank you so much guys for staying tuned to this video, and hope you like this session. You found it very informative and interesting. So do subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm close to reaching the milestone of 25,000 subscribers, and I hope this video से वो achieve हो जाता है. Take care of your health and all the best for your preparation. So see you soon after 3-4 days, friends, all my friends. So thank you so much and bye bye.